Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I got something quite unusual for you. Let you look at it for a second. All you see is this little jack here, but it's like there's no volume tuning knobs. Well, I'll give you some hints. It says Zenith right here. And the big hint is it's from Jeff. So let's open it up. Just boom, there you go. It's an AM/FM radio by Zenith. It's a model number RB21L. The vintage is about 1965. And I'll hold it a little closer so you can see the tuning dial, the slider. There it is right there. AM and FM switch right here. Tuning and on-off volume. So let's turn the volume on. And we'll tune it. This is on FM right now. There we go. Okay, I had it there for a second. Oh, that's way down there. Yeah, we want 87. There it is. So that's the station in Tampa, which I use for a test station because it's not that powerful, and if a radio will receive that station, it's a pretty good radio. And Jeff says this is super sensitive on AM and good on FM. So let's try AM. Turn the volume back up. We'll get your message across the mini and tune this in. There you go. It's tuned down. Or send us a note. You're getting some RF noise from my electronics. Pretty loud. Little tinny with this little speaker. Now that's, whoa, plenty of volume. That's one thing about new technology radios is they've really improved these small speakers. A different technology than the old ones, and they really sound pretty good. It's amazing. So that's it. Now this section, as you can see, is perforated, so you can listen to it closed. Matter of fact, we'll turn it back up.
The reason why I say that is I go back to what a former Green Beret,
see?
Nate Boyer, played
now,
for the Seahawks.
It does not have, and I think this is for headphones earbud. It's not marked, and Jeff didn't mention, he'll probably tell us in the comments below this video. But if that's the case, then there doesn't appear to be any external FM antenna. Pretty pristine. The only thing I've noticed, and my eyes are not that good, but it looks like right here is a crack and right here is a crack. Like somebody tried to open this to get to what's inside. I'm not going to do that, of course. That's the only scratch or anything I see on it. Uses a 9-volt battery. And it is very unique. You could have it sitting like this, or you could just sit it closed like that because this is perforated so the sound comes out, or you can lay it down. Jeff says he got this from a thrift shop for $15, and it works perfect. Nothing wrong with it whatsoever. So that's about it. I want to thank Jeff for loaning me these radios to show you on my YouTube channel. And we got 2 boxes full of radios this time that he brought me. So if you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. That tells me I'm doing shows that you're interested in. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Oh, I've got the fan on. Hopefully you didn't hear the fan in the background, but it's just too hot in my workshop not to have it on. Bye-bye.